Zvichapfuura. Yeah, I believe it. Zvichapfuura. I believe it. Zvichapfuura. I woke up with a heavy heart today. Bills on the table, no clear way. I check my pocket, nothing to show, but I still believe, I still know. Ndaisarwa como pocket mango, only coins that Sara Jishoma. Bank account yangu yati minus, but I speak life, I refuse to panic. I may not see it right now, but I know you're working it out. Every tear has a purpose, every storm will calm down. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. I'm holding on, this pain won't last. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. Jesus, you are my steady path. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. I believe in better days at last. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. This season cannot last. When my body feels so weak inside, and I don't even want to try, I whisper prayers in the night, waiting for your healing light. Even when I don't understand, I know I'm held in your hand. Pain is not my final story, you are turning it to glory. Some doors close in my face, some people walked away. Dreams I had fell apart, but you never left my heart. Dagati Zvichapfuura, this is not my ending. God is writing something new. My story still pending. I will rise again, I will sing again, I will smile again, by your grace again. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. I'm holding on, this pain won't last. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. Jesus, you are my steady path. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. I believe in better days and less. Zvichapfuura, it will pass. This season cannot last. Zvichapfuura, it will pass, I believe again. Zvichapfuura.